Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new things that we got on the Valentine's Day update. So obviously, look at everything, it's changed, like the layout. And then we get these really cute items, like super cute items. We even get this like trophy item. For this one, we do have to play 3 rounds to equip these items. There's even a skateboard, which is so cool. Then in the VIP section, here's what we got. Super cute, everything you can use straight away. We get these like earrings and we get these like bows and stuff, like this harp and other super cute items. And again, everything has been rearranged. We also get new hairs as well as new custom makeup, as you can see, and also just new makeup. I think we also get new patterns. Let me just check. Okay, no we don't. I don't think we do have new patterns yet, but this is just the first update. So keep an eye out for the next update, which is coming up on the 15th of February for the game show part. This is also something new, super cute, and this is where you can open up the brat items now. So yeah, let me check if the runway is different because I actually haven't been to this area yet on free play. So let's see. Oh, it is one. Oh my god. Oh my, that is beautiful. And they still have the recording studio, but it's just a little bit different. Let's see if we get maybe poses we have to purchase. I'm not sure. Okay, we do have this one, and I will purchase that. Continue. And do we have new items? Let me see. Okay, we do have this one, Everlasting Love Set. I'm just going to purchase. Okay. Alright. Okay. And alright, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.